Hello guys, today let's see this RGB lighting, which is 22-inch ring light. So I was ordered last week and I received this morning from local marketplace. So let's unbox it together, okay? So at the top we have a stand, and let's cut it out and we'll see what is inside it, okay? So let's open. All right, so what is inside it? Let's see together. Okay, let's cut it out. All right, what is inside it? It's the ring light, the 22-inch ring light. Yeah, my baby's working with me. You guys train your baby if you have a baby. Yeah, this is the charger. Yeah, this is the connectors, different connectors. And let's connect them together and we build the structure. Okay, so this is a phone holder. Yeah, we have 3 phone holders. Yeah, 1 2 3. And there's a ring light. This is a clamper for the stand at the top, but yeah, it's a joint, yeah, to connect it. So this is a net. Where is the stand? Yes, let's bring them. Yeah, this is the stand. Okay, the stand is, by the way, you guys, it is almost 2.2 meters, something like, yeah. So it's much more enough for any kind of podcast, any kind of height. It's really good enough. I mean, it's much taller than me. I am like 1.85, but when I stretch it with full length, it's much taller than me. Yeah, which means it's almost near to 2.2 meters something. Yeah, we have 3 stages. Yeah, this in order to retract the length. Yeah. Okay, now what's left, we have plugged the charger. This is the AC to DC converter charger. You can plug in AC 1 to 20 voltage and it directly change into 5 or 12 voltage. Yeah, so let's see. Oh, there's a lightning. The lightning have different adjustments. Yeah, it's very colorful. Look at, we are enjoying. Yeah, again the second light. Yes, yeah, this is the third light. Okay, let's see the RGB lightnings. Yeah, this is a multiple color RGB lightning. You can change, you can adjust, you can modify. Even if you can speed up and slow down the speed. Yeah, so there is it. Yes, it's very good for my tutorial. Yeah, maybe before and after. Yeah, you guys. Yeah, this is the back adjustment. Right. When you see it, you can use as you want, but the structure looks like this. The price is very moderate, the performance is very good. I highly recommend you guys RGB to 22-inch for your podcast or any other purpose. God bless you. There is it. If you have any question, you can ask me. God bless you. Bye bye.